All right, hey, I'm Sean, and this is some thoughts on this Benge 90B I've had. I heard about these on line and some good reviews on it. Wanted to get my hands on one and to get a good feel for it. This is the Large Bore. I absolutely love this horn, Large Bore. Plating's really, as far as condition on this horn specifically, it's very good. You can see some cool patterning they've done on the bells there, some cool kind of design that you don't usually get to see, and as well as here. All right, I'm working with a cell phone here, so not the best video in audio. Horn's in great shape. I mean, you can see the slide here. It's been very well maintained, both before and while I've had it. These are still nice, clean silver here, as opposed to that worn spot there. Same thing on the slides. Very freely. Good valves. Good solid valves. These are hand lap valves that you can read about on the posts they have. Read about the build of it. This horn, there are a couple little imperfections, though. You wouldn't, if it's sitting on a stand somewhere, you wouldn't know that. You would just think it's a new horn. Let me see if I. Okay, here we go. Try to get it in the lighting just right. There you go. I think I got it there. You can see that little one. Yeah, there you go. There's right here. There's just a couple of really tight ones, but when someone's holding their hand from here, you have no idea until you get up close. And then there was one other spot I think I noticed here. I noticed. Let me see if I can get it right here. It's light, but I'm trying to get it. I don't know if you can see it there. And then right there. I think it shows it best right there if I do it. But anyway, so in terms of playing, the horn, again, Large Bore, blows very well. I'm using a bobby shoe lead piece here, so on some of the lower sounds, it's a small mouthpiece. On here, I've got a big one here I can pull out too. But in terms of melodic flows, feel some lot of flows. It's really good with clarity and precision. It's a good one for that here. Oops, I bumped the last note. But anyway, the horn's just got a good, real good sound to it. I like it for some upper playing. I haven't warmed up really, but let's see here. So that's up to the double G on it. But been a real fun horn.